Welcome to our tutorial on how to enhance your Facebook page by adding outdoor seating services. Let's walk through the simple steps to make your outdoor space more accessible to your customers. To begin, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, typically found as 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages. Next, switch to the page where you'd like to add outdoor seating by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top. Choose the specific page you wish to switch to. Now tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the Edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you reach the Details section. Tap on Edit next to it to make adjustments. Proceed by tapping on Add Services. This will allow you to introduce the outdoor seating service on your page. Select Outdoor Seating from the options provided, and then tap Save at the bottom of the screen to confirm your selection. Congratulations! You've successfully added outdoor seating services to your Facebook page. Your customers can now easily locate information about your outdoor seating area and enjoy the fresh air while engaging with your business. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your Facebook page with outdoor seating services. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks.